Greetings, gentlemen, ladies, old school game snob here. In today's video, just a look at my game. I'm coming along here and how we're doing. So first off, I've got a pretty good vehicle possession system and chaos vehicle system working pretty well. It just seems to be automatically replicated for multiplayer, so that's nice about chaos vehicle system. But yeah, I've just been tweaking the buggy around a little bit, getting some of the driving physics kind of dialed in the way I like them. So it's kind of fun to cruise around. The thing I just finished adding here today was a way to jump out of your car, kind of depending on how much movement speed you have and which direction you're facing. I just wanted it to be like fun and lively. When a player jumps out of their car, they can, just basically jump out of the car. It has a little forward thrusting effect, and let's see, get back in the car. A little forward thrusting effect, kind of depending on which way the car's going. So that there's just like a little bit of momentum to it, right? If the car's going slow, the player just pops straight up. If the car's going faster, the relative speed adjusts, kind of depending on how fast the vehicle is traveling. So basically what I've got here is a vehicle possession system that is easy to apply to that's fine. Vehicle possession system that's easy to apply to any vehicle. I've also got a ship component, which is not quite ready yet, but I can jump into that ship component too. There we go. At this point, we've got forward, up, down, left, right. We've got sort of not the most perfect physics yet, and that is because at the moment I haven't got any mouse smoothing, so it's really too fast. But otherwise, I'm using like a really cool spaceship component plugin that was developed by someone who was using the GMC component, the movement component, and it was working like an absolute charm. It really has a really nice smoothness to it, roll, pitch, and all that sort of stuff. I have to tweak my settings a lot because, like I say, it shouldn't be that responsive on the mouse movement. But yep, basically there's that, and there's the ship component kind of in place. The other thing that I was working on here is a skating system. Basically, when the character is on a slope, such as this, and holds down their skate button, they'll start sliding down a slope. The script detects how steep the slope is, which direction the slope is facing, basically, and then kind of just slides the player pawn down appropriately. When it detects flat ground, it applies friction. If the player is trying to run up a hill and hits slide, they'll slide up a little bit. Actually, I might need to adjust my settings a little bit. That's too much slide. What's supposed to happen is when they're sliding around on different slopes and surfaces, is that the script will just sort of take into account which direction the slope is going, and basically it's like severity of steepness, right? So it'll slide faster down, steeper, and slower down, less steep. Of course, we've got a jetpack system. No special effects for that yet, but jetpack system is kind of working. And the other thing that I was working on is a knockback effect for when a player gets hit by an explosion. Did I disable the knockback effect? I might have disabled the knockback effect. Let's see here. Yep, there it is. Need to put that back in. Alright, that's fine. That's fine, technical issues. Let's head back on over to, where the heck were we? Alright, I'll just book it over to the testing ground, staging area over there. Oh yeah. Alright, there we go. I think I'm running out of jetpack fuel. Alright, let's recharge my jets a bit. There we go. Okay, so now we should have a knockback effect when the player's hit by an explosion. That sort of thing, including the player's own self, get knocked back by explosion radius. And so I'm also working on a damage system, which is kind of weird at the moment. Sometimes it works, as you can see, that guy's been damaged to 80% health. Sometimes it works. Now that seemed to register hit. Sometimes it doesn't. So I'm still trying to figure out why it sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. But yeah, okay, so skating is in. some basically vehicle physics. I've got a couple of guns now in here, kind of a pulse laser, and of course the knockoff spin fuser, and just like this one here is the plasma rifle. Don't mind the debugging spheres, that just kind of shows area of impact. And what's it? What else? I think that's it. I think that's basically it for now. Okay, that's been an update. See you guys later.